In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook in email. This is a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing, make sure you have your email ready to send. And then just open up Outlook. Now let's say, for example, this is your email. You can go to the word you want to highlight or to the words you want to highlight. Just select them. For me, I am going to select Please Follow, as you can see now. And after you select that, this tab will open up for you. Just click on this icon right here, which is Text Highlight Color. Just click on it. And now the text you selected is highlighted. You can also choose another color. You can choose that, and you can reselect the text again, as you can see, and click on the icon again. So that was how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook email. As always, thank you for watching.